Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. You're so welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make this delicious fried rice. Yes, so simple, so delicious that it wouldn't take most of the time preparing this. Yes guys, if you're new to my channel, this is the first time you're coming across this channel, you're welcome to my channel. My old subscribers, thank you all so much for constant support. So if you're coming across this channel for the first time, please do not forget to go ahead and click on that like button, click on the subscription button, and turn on the notification bell and share this video as well. So guys, let's get started. First of all, we need to prep our ingredients. Before making fried rice, you have to make sure that all your ingredients are well prepped already, because you don't want to waste time. Once you get started, everything goes pretty fast. So here is my carrots. After cutting my carrots, I'll go ahead and cut my green onions. Also cut my green peas. Yes, whatever stuff you feel like, any kind of vegetables you feel like using, to go ahead and prep everything at this point. So here I'm cutting my onions, regular white onions. Yeah, and next I'll go ahead and set everything aside, and I'll get my oil, my seasoning oil that I'll be using. So I'm adding some oil sauce, like soy sauce. After adding the soy sauce, I'm adding a little bit of chicken stock. You can use beef stock, but I'm using chicken stock. So the next, I'm adding half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of ginger powder. So that's just all I'm adding, the three ingredients. I'll go ahead and whisk them up together. Whisk, 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 whisk. Just keep whisking. Yep, keep whisking and whisking and whisking until everything look combined and incorporated together. I'll go ahead and set that aside. So they're well mixed. I'll set it aside. On another bowl, I'll go ahead and crack in 3 fresh room temperature eggs, and I'll set it aside as well. Here in my skillet pan, I'm adding some vegetable oil. Use any vegetable oil of your choice, and I'm adding 1 tablespoon of butter. Once everything is well melted up together, I'll go ahead and add in my 3 cracked eggs already, and I will mix and whisk until everything is cooked. Cooked halfway, not all the way through. Let it be cooked halfway, just like that. Then I'll set it aside. In the same skillet pan, I'm adding in a little bit of oil again. Then I will go ahead and fry in all my vegetables, starting off with the green peas, onions, green onions, the carrots. I'll fry everything for like 30 seconds, or they become a little bit tender to a reasonable point. So that takes about 30 seconds to 45 seconds. So once I've gotten to that texture that I want, I'll go ahead and add in my overnight white rice. So I cook the rice and I let it sit in my refrigerator for the next day. Then I'll go ahead and mix and mix. Once everything is well combined, I'll be adding the soy sauce that I mixed up before. So remember, what I have in this soy sauce is just regular soy sauce. I also have some teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of ginger powder, and that's just what I have on that soy sauce mixture. I will mix everything. I keep mixing until they are well incorporated together. You wouldn't see any sign of white rice any corner at all. So that's what you aim to achieve. You keep mixing until everything is well mixed up this way. So I'm adding the egg that I already cooked before, fried before. So I add that in, I'm adding my remaining carrots because I did not add all of my carrots because I want to have a little bit of crunchiness of carrots in the rice. So if you don't want your rice to be a little bit crunchy from the carrots, then you can go ahead and add all of your carrots at the beginning when you are frying your vegetables. But for me, I prefer my carrots to be a little bit crunchy. So here I'm adding some black sesame oil. I cannot make my fried rice without sesame oil. Sesame oil gives it extra flavor that you wouldn't resist. Like, this is irresistible. You have to like try adding sesame oil to your fried rice if you haven't been doing that already. So guys, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn the notification bell on as well, guys. Thank you all so much for your support. I do appreciate your support each time. So at this point, our rice is as good as ready. So the rice is ready. We'll go ahead and take it out of the heat and put it in a dishing plate so you see the good look of this rice. So before bringing it out of the stove, make sure you taste it because you saw me tasting my rice. So taste to see if you have salt, if everything you need, you got it right. So if you need extra salt, please go ahead and add salt to your rice. If you need to add pepper, it's personal preference. Go ahead and add whatever you need to your rice. So guys, this is the buffalo chicken wings that I made. If you haven't seen this recipe, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and check that out. It's very delicious chicken wings recipe. You will love, your family will love, your kids will love. So go ahead and check that out. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, and turn the notification bell on so you wouldn't miss any of my delicious recipes. So guys, this is the chicken wings I'm talking about. It's right here, but the recipe is not on this particular video. You have to go check that out. Yes, you have to go ahead, check it out, how to make chicken wings, buffalo chicken wings at home. Yes, check that out. So guys, thank you all so much for your support. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. I hope you enjoy spending your time with me in my kitchen today. Bye, stay safe, see you next time. Bye bye.